Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Project title is Automation and Information System. Let us see the abstract. Information exchange contains the details about the company, vision, mission, client detail, management system, and latest agreement to improve the relationship between the company and the employee. Employee may also post his or her innovative ideas, benefits of the company. Admin part store the employee details, and we can find the employee history from the database. The employee and the payroll system's objective is to provide a system which manages the employee details. The payroll activity done in a company depending upon the employee attendance and its calculation, which is very huge. The users will consume less amount of time through computerized system rather than working manually. The system will take care of all the payroll activities like managing employee attendance, the number of leaves taken by that particular leave, and calculation is a very quick manner and it avoids. The project main hope is to helpful in maintaining the employee's record, the salary for each employee. There is also a possibility of checking salary report at any time so that it does not lead to any miscalculations. Let us discuss the data flow diagram of the project. Admin plays a major role in automation and information system. Admin manages the database which contains employee details such as the date of birth, date of joining, training place, initial salary, etc. An admin will provide an ID for individual employee and secure code as their password. In employee module, the employee can log in through their respective ID and password and view their salary details, profiles, and exchange their information. In project details, events and feedback contains. In events, which denotes employee date of birth. In feedback, employee can leave their report regarding any problems in their office. Let us see the project. Go to sign in. If you are an admin, click onto the administrator button. Admin user ID is admin and the password is 12345. Click submit button. This displays the message box. Admin has to enter the new employee names and their employee position, their contact number, their date of birth, and the joining date. Admin has to enter the employee training place and their initial salary. To upload the employee picture, click upload ballot button and select an image. Photo uploaded successfully. Then click register button. Admin will provide an employee ID and security code. Employee should use the ID and the secure code for login. Click next button. Admin will allocate the project for the new employee and their start date and their end date. They must have to complete before the end date. Then click on to the submit button. If any employee performance is good, they need to increment in salary. Admin used to click to increment button and enter the employment ID and the increment salary and the reason for the increments. Click submit button. The employee ID will get an increment updation message. Click home button. Now let us see how employment module executes. Click onto the employee button and employee will get a login page. Enter their ID number and their unique password. Click submit button. The employee login successfully. Click view profile button they can view their profile. Click project detail button to know the current updation process. Employee can view their project title and the start date and the end date of their project. To exchange the file, employee has to click employee chat button. They have to mention their another employee ID. Click browse button to upload a file. Click send button to send to the employee. If employee ID is correct, the file sends successfully to that employee. Click feedback button. Employee can leave the report regarding any problems. Click post button. Feedback posted successfully. Now open the chat source code project. This form shows how the file is exchanging from one employee ID to the another employee ID. Here, employee should mention their ID and their respective user password. Click sign in button to log in. Click view button to know the file. The file is exchanged successfully. Let's see how the friend button works. Click sign in button. You can view the administrator login and the employee login. Click screw member button to know how many members are working in our office. Click employee event button to know the current employee events. You can see their username and the date of birth. Click salary detail button. If you want to know the particular salary employee details, enter the salary amount and click on to the search button. These members getting 50,000 as their salary. From this, the project gets concluded. Thank you.